All right, in this video, we want to solve this riddle over here, which I find a bit of fun. I do these if I ever see them on social media. And if you're interested in these two, let me know and I'll start posting more of them. And I'll kind of switch and divert a bit from the usual educational content that I post. So before we start this one, I want you to actually take some time, pause the video right over here and tell me if you can get the solution to this one. I want you to put the solution in the comments and I want to see how many people can get it right without actually watching this video completely. And I am going to point out it's not a super difficult one, but there are a lot of tricks in this one and that's why I picked this one to do as a video because it is a pretty fun one. And the first time I did it, I did actually make a silly mistake. So second time I did manage to do it correct. So let's see if we can solve this one. And I'm going to get started on it right now. So if you look at the first row over there, we know that we have three identical branches with everything identical in it, which equals to 15, which means that I just have to divide 15 by 3. So each of them is just 5. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15, which means that the stem or the leaf or the branch, whatever you want to call it, I'll just call it a branch, is 5. Then on the next row, we have three caterpillars. Again, they are completely identical, I believe at least. So since they are identical and the total is 9, I divide by 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 is just 9. Each caterpillar is 3. In the third row here's the first trick that we see. We have three apples, or it looks like we have three apples, but if you notice the picture, there's a caterpillar on the apple in the middle. So I know that a caterpillar is 3, and I know that the total is 30. So if I do 30 minus 3, that's 27 for the three apples. And if I divide 27 by 3, that's 9 for each apple. So 9 plus 3 because the second one is an apple plus a caterpillar, and then the third one is just a regular apple, and that gives me 30. So we know that an apple is 9. Now, in this fourth row, there's multiple tricks to throw you off, and here's why I made my mistake when I did it the first time. First, we have an apple and a caterpillar together, so that's just 9 plus 3. And then we have a branch over here, but this branch has 6 leaves. And at the start, each branch just had 5 leaves, which means that if 5 leaves is 5, basically 6 leaves would be 6 because each leaf is 1. So I'm going to have plus 6, and then there's a multiply sign there, and that's just a regular caterpillar, which is 3, and then we just solve this with bed mass. So 9 plus 3 is 12, and I have 12 plus 6 times 3, and then I'll do the multiplication next. So it's just 12 plus 18. And then final solution is actually 30. At least that's what I think the answer to this question is. I don't know if there's more tricks hiding in different places, but if you find more tricks or you think my solution is wrong, let me know in the comments and I will try and fix it. But I'm pretty sure this is the right solution. So again, if you enjoyed content like this and you want me to post more riddles like this, let me know in the comments and I'll start to increase and do that a bit more and reduce the educational content. If you made it to the end of this video and you found this content helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button.